Dell docking stations transform your laptop into a more productive workstation. Here is some useful information to help you decide what's right for you. The method of connection, known as the interface, determines which type of docking station is compatible with your laptop. Thunderbolt docking stations allow several devices to connect to the laptop using a USB Type-C cable. This extends the traditional USB capabilities of native multiple display video, audio, and data, along with charging power delivery through a single USB-C cable. The connector is reversible, so there's no guessing the orientation when connecting. USB-C docking stations also allow several devices to connect to the laptop using a USB Type-C cable, and they're similar to the Thunderbolt docking stations, as they extend the same traditional USB capabilities through a single USB-C cable. However, the biggest difference is Thunderbolt technology transfers data much faster because of its bandwidth. For more details about these two types, watch our Dell video guide to USB-C and Thunderbolt available on this channel by clicking the link shown. USB 3.0 are considered universal docking stations. These work with display link technology that enables docking feature capability by use of a USB port. This type of docking solution enables multiple monitors, audio, Ethernet, and other USB devices to be connected to laptops through USB ports. They perform their best when using USB 3.0 ports. Dell has a line of proprietary docking stations for use exclusively with Dell Latitude and Precision E series of previous generations. These are a bit more rugged and designed to be used more as a desktop plug-in base. Although D&E ports are exclusive, Dell docking stations with USB 3.0 connectivity are compatible with any laptop that has a USB 3.0 port. Docking stations that use a USB Type-C connection are designed to work with laptops with a USB-C port. However, there are three principal distinctions: Type-C, Type-C with DisplayPort, and Type-C with Thunderbolt. Look for the identification icon as shown here to determine which technology your laptop is equipped with. The type of cable is also an important factor. Dell Technologies recommends using the USB-C cable that comes shipped with the docking station. These cables are of the highest quality and are designed to deliver power to the laptop while maintaining an optimal signal quality for both USB data and HD 4K video. Some third-party USB-C and Thunderbolt cables are known to deliver inferior quality and have certain issues that affect the performance of the whole environment. With Dell docking stations, you get the added benefit of hot docking. You can connect or disconnect your laptop from the docking station without having to power it off or logging out of Windows. Click the link shown for direct access to Dell's website for all your docking station needs. Whenever you need help or have any questions, you can always reach out to us through social media for assistance, and there's also the Dell Community Forum. We have many other support tutorials available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. Thanks for watching.